Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a prank application in Java. So we want to create a new project, call it prank, create a package. My website's basicscoding.xyz, so I'm going to go xyz.basicscoding.prank. Create a new class called main. Make sure it extends JFrame. Import that. The main class in which the pranks code will be written. Okay, so what we want to go do is we want to go main, and then we want to go main. Got a new constructor. There we go. Or you can type these out manually, but I just like to be a bit lazy. Launch the application. The arguments for the program, which will be passed via the console. Okay, so here, let's go event queue dot invoke later, new variable, control space, enter. Wow, what we want to do is we want to go with that other new. Okay, so here, let's go new main. So, what we'll do here is we'll go set always on top to true, which basically means, so take Corsair link for example, so when I click outside of that, it shouldn't disappear from view. Okay, so, where was it? Yeah, set bounds 100, 100, 450, 300. Yeah, right. Set default close operation. Exit on close. Set visible. True. Okay. So now we've got a resizable JFrame, which will be good because we'll be making it different sizes, different locations, and everything. And now we just need to close. There we go. So we go like this. We go private void do prank, and now we're getting an error, a warning because we haven't used it. So we'll just do that. So once it's done do prank, it'll go on to. Once it's done set visible, sorry, it'll go on to do prank. So here, let's go random rand equals new random. Import Control Shift O. Create 4 number integers, num1, num2, num3, num4. And then 4 int I equals 0. I is less than, so we can do it 50 times, I plus plus. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go if I2 equals 0. So that means if I can be divided by 2 and get a remainder of 0, so if it's even, then we'll have to do this code. So we'll go try thread sleep 500 catch exception e.print stack trace. Okay, so now that we've done that, we want to go outside of the if loop, which is here. We want to go num1 equals rand.next int 2000, num2 equals rand.next int 2000, num3 equals rand.next int 1921, and num4 equals rand.next int 1081. Okay, so this will get new numbers every single time the loops run. Sorry. So we want to create a dimension for the size. You don't have to do this part, but I find it a bit easier. Because once you've done that, you can just go set size, rand size. Or if you don't want to do the dimension, you can just go set size, num1, num2. Like that. I prefer it like that. But for the set location, we'll have to go num3, num4. Let's just add some output. System out. So I type sys out and pressed Control and space. Setting size to and num1 plus space plus num2. And sys out again, setting position to plus num3 plus space plus num4. Why won't that? Num4. Okay, so now this should work. There we go. Obviously might get rid of that. So once it's done, it won't do anything. It will just stop doing it. So that is why we will have to add a little loop breaker. Actually, yeah, let's work on the arguments now, actually. Yeah, int, and it should be private int, because we've only got one class. So, private int, delay duration, and loop duration. So, we'll go if args.length equals 0, so if there's no arguments, so sys error. No variables detected. Please see example usage. System error. For this one, you have to press that. You have to press Control space then Enter. Java jar prank.jar 500. System out. No, error. Still. Argument 1. The delay duration. The delay for the program to run. Delayed. This is called payload. Yeah, right. System error. Argument 2. Loop duration. The amount of times the program will run, resize the window, etc. Okay, so check run configurations. Yeah, that's fine, because I've still got them. So error, there we go. But we don't actually want it to run. System.exit 1. Okay, so what this will do is, if there are no arguments, it will quit instantly without showing the frame. So now that we've done that, we can run it. No variables detected. So else if args.length is 1, system error, one or more variables are missing. See example usage. System error, Java prank.jar 500. Okay, so we can just copy this. There we go. But now, if there is a valid amount of arguments, into their respective variables. Okay, so we'll go delay duration equals integer dot parseInt args 0. That will mean the first variable. We need to make them static. Then go to loop duration, if I can spell, was integer dot parseInt args1. Okay. So now that we have got that working, we just simply need to do the following. Yes, we will have to pass the integers. Maybe delay int loop. Delay duration and loop duration. So now we'll int delay duration. I always miss the R. And int loop duration. Now let's go delay loop. I is less than loop duration plus 1. That'll mean it will run it twice. So if I loop duration, I equals loop duration, system or exit 1. Else execute everything in here. And now we'll go like this. Try thread.sleep delay duration. So sleep exception e dot print stack trace. Okay, so once it's slept for the delay duration, it will go through this, and then it will go through this. Actually, let's make it a bit more advanced. Sleep duration. We'll go rand.nextInt. Let's make it 1.5 seconds maximum. So it's unpredictable. Okay, so run configuration argument. Let's make it delay for 1 second. And let's have it loop 25 times. So it's random. See, you won't be able to close it. You can't close it, and then it terminates at the end. So, just need to get rid of the arguments. Run, yep. Spelled duration wrong. There we go. And we just need to do that to shut it up. Otherwise it will compile with errors. Not errors, warnings. Okay, so now that we're ready, right click on Prank, Export, jar file, untick them two, select where you want it to go, prank.jar I want it to go to, next, leave it like that, main class, click browse and select the class, it'll compile. So then we can go to jar files, prank, see nothing happens. That's because we're getting an error. So if you open up command prompt, documents, jar files, And if we go Java jar prank.jar, no variables detected, see example usage. So if we go Java prank 11, it'll run. Let's do it again. Set it to 100 and 100. So you can minimize the command prompt window. And it'll run. Let's just terminate it. You have to go into Task Manager. There we go. Right. So let's make a batch file to actually close the command prompt once it's done, because you can see it's still here. Right, oh, there you go, prank, boom. So, open up, take editor of choice, I like brackets, create a new file. Oh, that's my website. Create a new file, documents, jar, new jar files, and let's start.bat. Echo off. Then we'll go Java jar prank.jar. Let's default and then exit. Okay. So now we've got that. You can minimize. And then watch at the bottom here once it's run. Actually, we need to set it to like, so it doesn't run as much. Just for demonstration purposes, open with brackets. Let's make it run 10 times. So you've got time to minimize. Once it's run, it closes. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to rate, comment and subscribe. Bye.